Here's how to crop or trim video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So here's my video clip in my timeline. Now I'm just selecting this Reeser tool and then just cut or trim your video just like this. And now select the selection tool. Now select the trimmed video clip or part and just press delete button, and the specific video part will be delete. Now just right click on this empty area and click on Ripple Delete, or you can press C on your keyboard to select the Reeser tool, and you can just go ahead and cut your video clip and just select those parts to delete. And here's another way to crop your video. Just hover over on the last or first part of your clip and drag it to crop or trim just like this. And this is how we can do it.